Greetings, tech enthusiast! Imagine waking up to a world where your job has been taken over by a machine that's faster, smarter, and doesn't need coffee breaks. If that sounds like a sci-fi plot, you're mistaken. In this video, we're looking into the 8 industries that AI might soon take over. Curious if AI will be your next colleague, or worse, your replacement? Get ready for an exciting discussion as we delve into this topic. Let's start with industry number 1, manufacturing and production. AI-driven robots and machines are already revolutionizing the manufacturing landscape. These highly precise, efficient, and tireless machines have the potential to replace human workers in repetitive and hazardous tasks. For example, in the automotive industry, companies like Tesla are utilizing AI-powered robots to assemble vehicles on the production line. These robots can work around the clock without breaks, leading to increased productivity and reduced cost. In fact, according to a study conducted by McKinsey & Company, the implementation of AI in manufacturing could result in a productivity increase of up to 40% and a reduction of workplace accidents by 20%. So, it's clear that AI is set to reshape the manufacturing industry. Moving on to industry number 2, transportation and logistics. The arrival of autonomous vehicles, drones, and AI-powered algorithms is revolutionizing the way goods are transported and delivered. Take the example of delivery giant Amazon, which is experimenting with drone delivery services. These drones can navigate complex routes and deliver packages efficiently, reducing the need for human delivery drivers and enabling faster delivery times. A study conducted by PwC estimates that by 2030, up to 80% of deliveries could be done by autonomous vehicles or drones. This transformation not only improves efficiency and reduces cost, but also has the potential to revolutionize the entire logistics industry. Now, let's explore industry number 3, retail and customer service. AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants, and personalized recommendation systems are transforming the customer experience. Major e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Alibaba are utilizing AI chatbots to provide customer support. These chatbots can quickly address customer queries, provide product recommendations, and even assist with purchases, leading to improved customer satisfaction and personalized shopping experiences. According to a survey conducted by Oracle, 80% of businesses are already using or planning to use chatbots for customer interactions. It's clear that AI is reshaping the retail industry by providing efficient and personalized customer service. Let's move on to industry number 4, healthcare and medicine. AI is reshaping healthcare by assisting in diagnostics, drug discovery, and personalized treatments. One remarkable example is the use of AI in medical imaging. AI algorithms can analyze medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to detect abnormalities and assist doctors in making accurate diagnoses. This technology has the potential to save lives by identifying critical conditions at an early stage. A study published in Nature reported that an AI algorithm outperformed human radiologists in detecting breast cancer in mammograms. With such advancements, AI is transforming the healthcare industry by improving diagnostic accuracy and enhancing patient outcomes. Next, let's explore industry number 5. Financial services. AI is reshaping the banking and finance sectors by automating tasks such as fraud detection, risk assessment, and portfolio management. For example, banks are leveraging AI algorithms to detect fraudulent transactions in real time. These algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and flag suspicious activities, helping to protect customers and financial institutions from potential fraud. Additionally, AI-powered robo-advisors are gaining popularity, offering personalized investment advice based on individual financial goals and risk tolerance. According to a report by Accenture, AI has the potential to reduce banks' operational cost by up to 20%, while increasing revenue by up to 25%. With such transformative potential, AI is undoubtedly disrupting the financial services industry. Moving on to industry number 6, agriculture. AI-driven technologies like drones, satellite imaging, and smart sensors are optimizing crop management, monitoring soil conditions, and automating farming processes. In the agricultural sector, farmers are using drones equipped with AI-powered cameras to monitor crop health and identify areas requiring attention. This technology enables precise intervention, leading to increased crop yields and reduced resource wastage. The use of AI in agriculture can increase crop yields by up to 70% and reduce water consumption by up to 50%. With such advancements, AI has immense potential to transform the way we produce food and ensure global food security. Industry number 7 on our list is legal services. AI-powered systems are revolutionizing the legal industry by automating document review, contract analysis, and legal research. Traditionally, these tasks have been time-consuming and resource-intensive for law firms. However, AI algorithms can now quickly review lengthy documents, identify key clauses, and provide insight to lawyers, saving significant time and effort in the contract review process. Additionally, AI can assist in legal research by analyzing vast amounts of legal precedents, regulations, and case laws, enabling lawyers to access relevant information more efficiently. Over 60% of law firms are already using AI in some capacity, and this trend is expected to grow. So, it's evident that AI is transforming the legal industry by increasing efficiency and improving access to legal information. Lastly, let's discuss industry number 8, entertainment and media. AI is transforming the entertainment and media landscape by enabling personalized content recommendations, enhancing content creation, and revolutionizing immersive experiences. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify leverage AI algorithms to analyze user preferences and behavior, curating personalized content recommendations. Additionally, AI is being used to create realistic computer-generated imagery, CGI, in movies, simulate realistic characters in video games, and even compose music. With AI, the entertainment and media industry can deliver tailored experiences that captivate audiences and push creative boundaries. So, there you have it, the 8 industries that AI is predicted to disrupt and potentially eliminate in the near future. While these advancements offer immense benefits, it's crucial to remember that humans still bring unique qualities and skills to the table. Instead of fearing AI, we should embrace it as a powerful tool that can enhance our productivity, improve our lives, and open up new opportunities. The future is indeed exciting and filled with endless possibilities. If you found this video informative, watch this next video recommended by YouTube to further insights.